Good morning, student. Today we discuss the format of invitations. All you have the see the invitation card. Yes, student. Have you seen the invitation card? There is a format that in the there is a write about the program, also where it is placed. So in this we discuss two type of invitation: is a formal invitation and informal invitation. First we discuss the formal invitation. Formal invitation that was given to their boss. Okay, students, not a loving boss. That is called formal invitation, and we discuss how we what format of this invitation. These are generally printed invitation card through which we invite our guest or some auspicious occasions like wedding, birthday, wedding anniversary, housewarming, inauguration of a shop, factory, etc. In the case of VIP is invited to present our function, the name of that VIP appear prominently. This formal invitation does not include the name of the invitee. The addresser name and the address is typed and written on the envelope only. Okay, student, what is the meaning of this line? Not include the name of the invitee, only addressee name and address is typed on the envelope. That is the format of the formal invitation. The letters are written in a third person. These letters are written in third person and a simple present tense is used. The date of the writing is not given. There is no signature. Abbreviation RVSP. And the French meaning of RSVP का मतलब क्या होता है student? Please reply is written at the bottom with the contact phone number or the name of the sender member of the family. As you see, RSVP, Arora families, some other families, Arora families, and like that is the Sandhu families. RSVP में लिखा होता है ना, that is. Now other details about this invitation: name, designation, address of the organizer, sponsor or host, name of the chief guest or special invitees in case of official invitation. Okay, student. Now we have discussed the layout of the formal invitation. How can we write in formal invitation? First of all, that is the formal invitation. So this is about the school. Principal of Vidya Secondary School, Gandhinagar, Delhi. You are asked to design a invitation card which is sent to the parents and important person on the occasion of the prize distribution ceremony. Who have to send the card is the parents and the important person who is the chief guest. To be held on 14th April. Noble laureate Mr. Kailash Sararthi has consented to be the chief guest. Also given the name of the chief guest. Now let's start. The principal, staff and students of Vidya Mandir Secondary School. That is the host line. Okay, student. No capital letters are used. Only small letters are used. There is a simple way to write. The principal, staff and student of the Vidya Mandir Secondary School, Gandhinagar, means the address. Now, invitee line. Cordially invite you. Occasion, write in a capital letters and broad letters. The prize distribution ceremony. Event line, details. Details on which date, where and time. On Saturday, the 14th April, timing in the school auditorium. Venue, we have to write proper venue during the invitation. Now, last is that is called chief guest name. If the chief guest is, then you have to write the name of the chief guest. If there is no special chief guest, you have not to write the name of the chief guest. Now, Noble laureate Mr. Kailash Sararthi has graciously consented to be the chief guest. And closing line, RSVP, Miss Sushma Mehta, principal and phone number. Write on the RSVP the left side of the invitation, not right hand side of the invitation. RSVP always write on the left side of the invitation. That is a formal invitation. First of the host line, then is the second is invitee line, third is, look at this, host line, invitee line, event line, details, chief guest, and last is RSVP. That is method of to write the formal invitation. Okay student, have you any problem related this invitation? You can discuss with me during the class. Now we are going to discuss the informal invitation.